106.9 Emana so sense ma hodo a ya boaboa no se nume no sia kase ebo no yede mo nkyeremu nyina da eba ebesem ne ye ka mo sense ma hodo ensa so se nume no sia kase ebo no ya krita ni nyina da agogu yen aba fontentan kase ne so a na ye DLFM eno wachin so kase ebo no enam DLFM yen app no ena bio tinin app no so yen Facebook ene YouTube ni nyina da enam DLFM 106.9 agese ne ye ehumfoni ni videos ni anam so a ubenya bi ahwem emre sem ye badwo adwen kire no akenkan a na ye Facebook no so at DLFM 106.9 enumre ensem titira ebedi kasebru makotiri bi ene say ye begina mu ewo nkran popre mantam mu de mpani sabe ye du amanfo so ane yaka yanom Ghana fo beka ya enfinhia pode du ba kuntam nie ene jabrane ekoto golf filling station a na ewo kwa me koma sek me ne beboro be ya ohaduonu mahwere mo nkwa nene convener edema one Ghana movement wakasa nsem no to dwa yede mu kire mu ebesom okasebonum
Comfort Teaching Hospital edin sema to dwa ehemu say yade omo be hye emergency admission ase ewa bra pressure eba ye ENE eye center ni so
na ebagina won kra parliament mu dia yenyina mo ewo ga East Municipal Assembly wono ma hya se bubu amanfo adan to agu wono mu kire mu say dodo na ni ntumi kra to ma sisi dan sisi ekam a amanso yiri fa wodo mutene na ede mo adwira gu no enya semwa
Timemufo a omowo eye KFC a no wa denta no ekasa achemu se MC ye ho honum ebubu o madan e wa bra o ma ama o notice bia
idane ba kire mo asante mantem dia make say dome asaman wonum basic school eno no wa manse settlement na asante mantem a kire fo no mpani aka se kire m say e school na kire fo no ho asu akitua bi pe na eba school afi nso bia ya kire fo beda bi ni honum Edusia de nso asua emene emofa na boa peso se dia adwumadi enti no amadusia ho sensem akoto ape ewo mensenim
Mrasha bedwani ede madam mango ede nsem ato abayanim se omunjai kasa na omokasa na emomom penjuma FM mebunu no
ensem no pina na kan yase wonkonwa bese mu se enumle no nsia kase ye wodi lo ha ne nsia ekiripo enkron kasa fidie so na ye ka mo se omanga na yatim ne se wudi dwuma na pese ho na mo chekama na usika sam kwasoro na ka wabɔ no woto wo kan kwa de amesrew bibia obeye bia efanyom to ho de ana obehia nwom wase no fa koda na first group band tiedi ni ye eye first group band enne ya papa no mesrew wedding na wo ye say ye eye na ba fie ana say bia wa woda bi na wudi birthday parties ana weddings funerals ana say bia graduation e bia wa ko school wa wie wo pon ho akofie ana adwuma na wasua wo pon ho na bia behia nwom wase afa beda na me de besom sompa ene wachi inside programs awodo behia mfidie mu fa medan yen ne bebo nwompa mo afiri afam na wo ba ye nkyanya ye adwuma de ye de na no wadeni mu odeni pam ye wa quality sound de bom autikikim papa bi anya mu de ni bia se kutu se bebam ene wachi nso your professional instrumentalist nwom no chese wo ba ne ye botwene ne pa na instrumentalist ne ye adwuma papa bi antofo no so wonu ate eto nwum ne ye kama pam intimacy ba ye nkyanya ne be fa ye ne mesomsompa wo pe ye kira kwan a ye watema community 22 ye inside ba roso hono man ye buto na yakopo ye adoma efia da ben so asama be ye de bruta asama fo ye ba ne nyina ne se first group band ye ba mo nkyɛn dwuma de na dia das one se dance of your street ye ba be somsompa ade no be stress free how bia ne akire eno ba chinso na media saka ma na manya me ho poto me na me kro no de yakopo ye adoma on the 5th June 2026 asama dwan market ho na ye ba Share exactly 12 p.m. Area domain ya be share bibia konkan. Wo penkyeremu a fremperifa ho matrofo iso. 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 ana 0541 149 741 0541 149 741.
Open supapa edi ujuma dia ende noa ani lumba supa na ye so awono ma oni pedua no etimi bu adwuma ye enu ntanumre wonsa enyanka bidia frempenifo 0549 889 685 ana 0549 436
akenka fo yense nkonwa besuma nimre no edi ameje so ye wofa osi ade ye de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mautedin ene bantwere bona na Atafirija menem wo fa ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ye ho ye ba ye de kasebo no ekire mu ankasa ebesom
DL News.
yamamo akwaba afi tumlike ne hia yen e Facebook and afinse YouTube na yemfa kasebo no enchiri mu emfansom ya hia kasebo na se e de afiri o my Ghana enka wo prement ma kopie mu e wo kwame nkroma sekre na Ghana fo beka ya emfimpim mienu ni dunum mechire 2015 na eye aye ho mobosome na neta so miensa ana omaya to yancham kase na odene eto oman mechire June 3 2015 na ni nyina ne say ensubra ni bi to oman Ghana mu a na de hya won mo kwame nkroma sekre ebo modin akwagire nyina Guelph eye filling station ba ko a eye kama pa no na wo kwame nkroma sekre ho no ma bia ya ene Ghana commercial bank abonsa jechire won nche ho no na etade ena Ghana de hia wonom ekodi dwa ena wo so mutu kwan koduru ho no hu se no se de nsuo na yire no so mo mpa ba bia nkotene be ha dwen nti hyenkani hu se nsuo na yiri bia be fa bia na de wo sen omokọ ye pa na mo se no se gwel eye fuel station ho no mo no ban ba bia park de ye park ye cars ena hyenkafo no meti fo ko park ena ye fan wo dabre ho no mam obi aba na wakọkyena ho bi we ba na wakọfa ho wakọfam ho sam ena obi ahu de si ye hu ane se ne agi gugom ena ye kyese ba bia fan wo no wona gyato ho nom emme brubru ye nsomo ye mfa ho gidigi kyese eja na edere no sabi nsu ato a afa ho ba bia no na gya nam so nani ehyi nipa mani senti ene nipa baburo ba ye o haduonum 150 ena eja no ehye wonu nyina daje omokra edi free wonsem afoforo baburo ba ye hanu 200 eprepre na nya sem kuma kra ejapade ehye ye de buburija amanfo dan no o ma hyen de tutuo na eja ehye ni nyina na asem ni si ye pe Ghana fo beka ya Ghana mampeni yam papa John Dramani Mahama ne first time abesom so mampeni odinsam tudwa ekote putupru eye emergency meeting e wo my Ghana ye fracture house o mampeni atena ekesi mo June 3 ho no mam ena o ka kire o man say o the 50 million Ghana cedis e ba be yesika o di beboa wo ma mo ho kan ye no na ja o mutumi agempata sika ene wachi nso e kan ho do o my Ghana asisi ensuo to a na ejiri fa nipa no o mo de sika na behwe aprapra che yi gatem nyina matete na kese se beboa ne nsuo to a enyiri fa nipa wo manyi mu bieu ene wachi nso o kire mu a aba ne jepa gwakwam beboa ne nsuo a wo to yiri fa de hye won kra no obesi ne nyina no kwan se be ye nsuo to a enyiri emfa nipa bieu na mpani se sabe takama hwe na mpro ne yedu amanfo so ayaka ya no mti no yenkwatie Ghana mampani putupru nhyamu di odi ye e wo 3 June 2015 na bo hye Ghana no yente bi mrasisi a
government has allocated an amount of 50 million Ghana cedis to cover relief and humanitarian operations, repair of damaged public infrastructure, and the silting and clearing
DLFM.
of waterways. Our current priority now is to save lives and prevent any further suffering of our people. But beyond that, we'll take the tough measures that are necessary to prevent such disasters from occurring in the future.
Ani ya wuti ye eye Ghana mampeni perma opwata John Dramani Mahama na nsem we mu no enene convener edema one Ghana movement eye senyo hosi ede adesre ede ato o my Ghana ban eni penifo anim sei sa ato ye nchema oto o man e ma de hyebi kwa katwa mu ewo aye ho mabosome na taso miensa ewo mfempim mienu eni dunum tamu no ede o happy ede bra o my Ghana de hye pam e ma nipa bebre na afrim finhia pode duba kuntam nie ahokyera ba pa eni sesei de o man wanom gine ho amonte ase mo penkuntabo de afa hom todo na ho kakatwa mu ade hye kire mu asesi amekesei emfinhia pode duba ko a oha we si ye no bapem samre eni pa oha ne aduonu makiri na mo nyina firi mu a emu beye aha mienu 200 no mo prepraye nanso ho si kire mu sei bapem samra ye kesei empatasika ampenifo hye ebo no todo na ansa nka sesika no ene wachi nso enipa di dem bapem samre yi e kire din chese ebinu magya pade anyina kọ de mbedimpo eden nanso bɔhyɛ Ghana mpanifo hyɛ ye no bɛpem samre ayɛ hwebɔde asɛm ade hyɛ kyerem sɛ wɔn sika sɛm ayɛ basa obi wɔ hɔ no ma ɔhwɛ ne tebea na so asi ɔnte asɛm bio ebi so ani afura wotumi wo kɔbra ne bi tire ho a enwi ba kokura nka ho ne nyina prasa sɛ bi kusi a ya pra ne ho ebi widie no aworo ama ebisa bi kɔbra ne ebi anim ahyɛ me nanim nyina mo a sɛ hu na facha me asa sɛ bi robot ɛwɔ manyim wɔn mo kyerɛ mu ate bi a wɔn akɔm na no agye pam enti wɔn bɛsrɛ Ghana mpanifo sɛ ebi mo didem a kyerɛ sɛ muntumi mo bra kora bio enti bɔhyɛ mpanifo hyɛ ye no mo twɛn wɔn nsan kan ye ɛno wakye nso abanhwɛ ma atente ne nya dwuma emfia pintam ni wɔn akasa ɔman mu mpanifo atwe wɔn ne sɛ bi panin bɔne a wagya ne nan bedwam ana wayi mfirima bedwam asa sɛ aboa odwan a wɔte akɔba nanso wɔte ana kora wɔn fi ukura ɔmo kyerem sɛ no ayɛ dene enti mpanifo ho wɔn mɔbɔ na mo hu ne sɛ bi wɔn mu di dɛm ne wɔn pɛ atoyɛ nkyɛm na atoyɛ ne sɛnti no foto aban twa ya mmere bi atwa mu no ɛne bɔhyɛ mo hyɛ no mo twɛn ne mu aban mra mo sɛ wɔn sisi ahokyerɛ no ano ayɛ dene dodo wɔn hia moa.
And members of the media, we gather here today 11 years after fire, flood, and fuel took more than 150 lives and injured over 200 people. 200 of our brothers and sisters, our kith and kin. We gather here because the question that has haunted this nation for more than a decade still hangs in the air. June 3, DLFM. Where is justice? For 11 years, the victims of this tragedy have carried scars, physical, emotional, and economic scars. Some lost their hearing, some lost their livelihoods, some lost their entire families, and yet the justice they deserve remains painfully out of reach. In 2018, 69 victims took the bold step of seeking justice through the courts, filing a class action against GOIL, the National Petroleum Authority, the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, and the station manager. They asked for accountability. They asked for compensation. They asked for dignity. Over the years, the truth has become clearer, not dimmer. God's own witness admitted under cross-examination that the disaster could have been avoided. The NPA's witness confirmed that stronger regulatory oversight could have prevented the tragedy. Gentlemen, ladies and friends, people of Ghana, the deaths of June 3, the disaster of June 3 was needless. It ought to have been avoided if those who entrusted with the responsibility to take care and exercise duty of care to all and sundry were up to their task. Unfortunately, the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, whose duty it was to enforce planning and safety rules, has shown inconsistency in its participation in this legal engagement, even attracting fines for failing to appear. These are not my opinions. These are not the opinions of my friends here, our victims here. These are facts on record. Yet 11 years on, the victim still waits. The trial continues. The suffering continues. The silence of all things DLFM. Also continues. And that is why this movement demands more than sympathy. It demands a national reset in how justice is delivered to ordinary citizens. Today we call on the state, we call on His Excellency the President to act in the spirit of his resetting Ghana agenda.
DLFM 106.9.
Any a wuti openi po no jiremu ekasa ye de ma de hia wonom edi dem atoye nchama no wodene eto wonom ewo aye homa bosom ne netosom yensa ewo mfempi milionu enum tem ena wote ni din ade senya hosi ogiremu ekasa de ma one Ghana movement ekuo no na wokirem say eye mpanifo bia majoto omo ne omaye ena kwafa atoye nchama ne ba ye ntimpata sika ene akade a ese omode ba no onwo twan ni mu finifo amfa ma omani bebere pa emu nkiremu ne de aso mu
Yantua Kasiabone Sona Confoanochi Teaching Hospital for Ashe Emergency Admission say Ewa Bredu baby no more accident and emergency center no chest a patient and never honum na a bruise ye papa. No money some chop for train common acting medical director yet Dr. Yalabi editor John Oche Muse say no how no more ewan pahono say dear bibia to me at dinya chest and pano when ye be account say ko any me papa. No more so any medical superintendent president of facilities or Moshe Ghana Health Service for us saying Sana Ankran Kraya Risabia for so akasa so munya emergency cases ahodo na afia mutimi show na hu hia some be refer e dia ba gi dia eno so mu akwanya ne so betimi refer patient no e dia ba ho sanso ana Dr. Labi ede akasa na oche mu say e ya dia Risabia bebre na omo wo niam ahodo omo de sayare ne ade ba emergency cases na mo specialist dia ya dia no mu ni bi wo ho enu ntini se koba so mu hia specialist o betimi abaji sane be ya specialist ho no so no etimi ashayarefo na sane be ya omo so ehu ebetimi atowo.
Soon after we issued the statement, a director of public affairs issued a statement yesterday. We had a Zoom meeting with the regional director of health services, his deputy director of clinical care, and medical superintendents of a number of the facilities who refer cases to us. I'll say Ghana Health Service facilities and a couple of private facilities. In this meeting, we made them aware of the situation here, and they are already our partners. We collaborate a lot in the care of patients. So we told them the situation, and then we made each of them present tell us about their capacity. So they told us about their capacity and the current state of their various facilities. For those who had emergency areas, they told us the number of beds that were available. Some people told us the beds available in their male and female wards. For instance, one of our facilities we work with, Hope Exchange, mentioned that their male ward was full because over the period, because we were having a lot of congestion here, a number of patients were also getting to their end. And as at yesterday evening, they had only 3 beds in their female ward. So if we had patients who were females and didn't require surgery or ICU, they could take. And similar information was given to us from the medical superintendents of other facilities. So they were prepared to hold patients who were in their facilities waiting to be referred, to keep them for a while and manage them together with us, because we can do management on the phones with them. When they describe and send us some parameters, we can intervene. Others too were also prepared to receive referrals from other facilities, and they described the kind of beds that they had. One facility even said that they had ventilators and they had beds.
Enwechi ana Dr. Labi esre se eya Risabia hodo eno ewa santimantem de eye ejuma ewa fari ni sewu ni nanu niema hodo ehu hia so musu betimi anya na Risabia na timi akọ nanim no mo so aboa ama pomuden ho nsem so atimi akọ anim no mo hwe so betimi aboa wom sane ebe ya bibia ebetimi akosoye edi ama wom na sanso ekasa ye echemu sa Risabia no accident and emergency center no na ya de omo eye 30 mutimi efa 37 patient pena so se de ade bibia timi akwa anim mutimi fa ebrosa.
Yes, so as I mentioned, I know we've heard about projects like Afari, Sewa, some of the Agenda 111s. All these facilities plus the existing facilities have to be strategically looked at. And I know they are on the radar of the government. They should be strategically looked at. And human resource with the right skill mix, or right skill sets, and then the right infrastructure and equipment so that they can also function more efficiently and be able to deliver more than they are doing, and that will solve the problem.
Enia wuti ye Dr. Yaolabi ono acting medical director ewo Komfoanochi Teaching Hospital.
Yan toa kasebo no so na yemfiri asante mantem Kumasi emfa ni fanchire o my Ghana. Ya hinkro enkrabopre mantem na make say Yiga East. Municipal Assembly no ahase buadwumaten. Na wade mo kire mi say na nsen nsuo to a ekwanya nsu ide de ade hye Woga East mensin mu fa so na no wade ne pam. Etimpenifo gusu buadwumaden ahye ne ma de ne mapagwa kwam aboasa be ye nsu yiri fa wore mo no. Eso betumi atimpo anase begyae kra na ade hye no. Ejapade ne nimpa kra ekoto esene mu no. Ewo mere nsuo toto no. Eso betumi atem. Na dwumadi a mo hye ase ne nyasem we ne o mabu adwumadi aprapra kire basam. Wa mo kire mi say aden ahodo pi na sisi ekam ba bia nsuo to efa ha dwen ensuo eto yiri fa manfo nyina no empenifo hwehwe ma hunu se sabe eye binimadu furo pe wonya sikanti wakwa akoto asase ya mbira nsuo ho na efa na wasi dan chenchenche si so na nsuo to a obi ane danse ba bia sabe nsuo mfa ho no na yira fa no na ono de wafa ne ho adi na eka na aba na nadwumadi omude mubu adane bia to agu no na municipal works head engineer Justice Justin Grover echirem say dwumadi a mudie no enipa hodo a mo masisi de asi ba bia emra ma ho kwan se yensie munu tumi krata eno achi nso esi ba bia esi no ensuo to ho na yesefa na masi ensuo ne kwan ensuo nso de apetampe obi nse ne kwan so si ne kwan a na ma ne tumi wa chance ba bia opa bia wamfa tie ba ne sa pe na bone aba ne trim ya bia obenya bia na wafa na tete na ho kire na japade se ne nipa nkwa na de to asane mu enti o kire me se ena mabubu bebre na to agu na mo hwe anim se o meto asa ko pie mu akoteman na akoteman fo mo ba mo nchen enche mama sisi den sisi gata mu no mo ba mo nchen dwuma mbedi mu ho no ba fili afam basam o kire ma me ka sei enipa pempem na no masisi den sisi ba bia sabe mra ma ho kwan ama nsuo to yiri fa manfo a chemota ne mpatam ha dwen dodo tie se de munyere mata so mo ba dendenden na dwuma mbedi mu no nyasemwa na ba Facebook no so am DLFM 106.9 NFin so YouTube me wa fase champion telade exercise na guso ba behunu bi pa be hwe manfo dan papa bi a o man sense bia ya panti empanifo de fere mum tum edwira gu a akono keke na mra engineer Justin Grover eden sam to de kase bo ni mu no o kire mu sei.
What is happening here today is the Ghana Municipal Assembly with the instructions of the Special Planning Committee embarking on an exercise to remove all unauthorized structures on waterways and on public right of way. And so what for the past 3 hours, we tried to remove a structure that just started. This is not a structure we sat down for it to be constructed. This is about the 4th time the assembly is here. And what we are trying to do is to prevent the structure from coming out so that the question will come, where were we? So we are here the 4th time to make sure that the structure doesn't come up because it is blocking the access, one of the tributaries that feed into the river, and that will not strengthen us. So that is the first one. From here, we are supposed to move to Adjoa, and then what we are advising is that anybody who goes and waterway to either remove it himself or this time round we are coming at them to make sure that we don't experience flooding within the municipality.
DLFM 106.9.
And yet we are coming like Kakai, and here would ye on an elbow Remoga East men's anymore. Or your municipal works head, engineer Justin Grover, and our tea Nini.
Yentwa kasia bone so na eyetimemufo omoti adenta KFC echi honom ebo MC edema adenta municipal assembly eyonyonyamfo ela esinam nungu Kwadwo se wa hyenkrofo so mumbebubu omadan engu ewa abre omama mu notice bia na we no mokasa no muchemu se yade assembly no edibudo z ediaba site ne so mumbebubu edan no enfengu na emomanya ade omobo omokoko bia se nyema se ebetimi akoso de omo hu ya ne se budoza no ewo ho no ma chese obubu adan no egu na bebre na kasa echemu so omodo musika ni na de asi adan ho ana ebiti ho nso na ebi ye omadwuma ebi nso ya asase omode edi omudwuma ene se MC ahye ama omababubu adan ni na ewo honom na we na omokasa na omuchirem a ade omuhu ne se omubebubu adan no sane ebe ye omode bema ankrankra ye investors ahodo ene Chinese phone ni bi sane ebe ye omoso no eba abedi omudwuma ewo asase ne so ha adwen enu nti na omofra aban so omomodin ase obeye bibi ede afa ho no ahwa ma atentene ne atimi akoso sempatasika bi kra no de bema omohwe sempatasika no monsa ebetimi aka
adai yake pese ma ebeti samu dache eni tidi da kio no ye ni obia akwa dai na ma ye o ma nchire mu o ma chidem 40 o ma chidem ye se China for
DLFM
ye minister omo atatu China mamu ana omo atatu China mamu ye minister mo da mama blended mama so atatu China mamu kia the family na me kwetena say ya sana mo be ye nuanom wa ha ena apin fon kwala ahini e beda the nuama na gugu aho tulipa is your top July ye tunipa papa ye tunipa kwala mu ko school kwala iba se na hi no mu beda sa me ye tunipa mo ko ye ka chamo na mo ka to ne ebre ye nye ne waska ye beda dem e bi beda kios man so no we and na high singing room at Ghana
DLFM 106.9.
Ene ya wuti ye tememufo omoti adenta ye KFC echiwo no mu chema MC ahye amomadan ya bebibu no e wa bra ya mo notice bia.
Yanto akase bo no so na yensan ko pie mo my Ghana ya sante mantemu. Na ugbo wura mu wasante mantemu dome asaman basic school mu a. Eno no wa mansia south mense ni mu wasante mantemu. Ade kira wo sensem ayedin o. Asa hwinimuhwi wotwe na nisuo di akire. Wanu mu kire mi se ne a school for mafra no. Wanu mu abba pese se dia wadwumade o DLFM 106.9. Overcrowded. Chesa di suya da nipa na boa PPC se yam. Adenti a edan ni sua. Ena school enrollment ne kwa na ekoso ndi mofra na do so pa. Na mu kire mi se kire no so hu asu akitu asa kitikiti mampode. Na ho kire na ba dia ma de kire. Ena kire ne bread to. Na mu chem ze se no chechirefo ene awofo ni bia ka se chirem se ohana no aya den pa titiriw wo hwe sade yakona amadi suan tumi fantoma pamfamfra e wodome asaman besi school no wa mansia south mense ni mo asante mantam ade hye chirem a ena mamofra na de suan kura kofom chese mu nse de hunade ye kura na bakwa de suan de mbako na one classroom adusuan fo buru baye 70 80 100 na titani ba ko gina wo manim musomo normal exercise obama kan nsa chia ena mo twere nso hwe exams ne dia na ye pinso chese nyasem wa inti aba ne sa teacher fo no kura nsa da ma enta anya mo fane nso hwe because wo kwaye obama kia ma de a chen nti ama de suan sensem ekwafom na mra mpenfo di eje mra mo ne dia kasa botwetwe nkomo ena headmaster school ya mister ns sorry echirem say ohana no wade ne pa nti o mesra ban de adure no aban fa na fancy form na omra de hia won mo wo dome asaman basic school num awa mansia settlement no sante mantam vi say said ya chechirefo no ho asua na school dan so asua no ama de kire na de suan sensem no enkwan kan kram o kire ma se sade ba kumpa ha o mo pa ne say wo we sade mofra na dos na chechirefo no so kura no ho akosua efi say mo bo manya ba bi ntena e honom galam say kwaso honom entina masika sam no e wo soro chechire ni ba na obe ha dan ya untumi ntua enti abasa na posto obi kompotem no mo kura na wasan na chi edan so ni ho no de ma chechirefo ntem asetene mo ayedem pam ti de do edie atopampim abamrem na mo no homodin mesi adan ma chechirefo ma bi ntena na chechirefo dodo na mra kuro dia no mekira de ene wa chen susuku dan a esu ama mofrai abo apeso na abamrem mesisi adan mi ntatrim na mo na desua emfa ntoma pamfansu emfamfra e wodome asaman basic school a ene no e wa asaman anasa mansia south mensenim e wa sentiment mo din sem sei atudwa
teacher for omudabrem eni mpo teacher for na e school ho no ye nso nti ye besre se nka GS enhwe na post teachers na omumra ommabuaye na nso ama adusua ane adekire sese wo hwe a ye ho no ye mining area nti edan bo no kosoro nti se wa post teacher ni ede aba na wo hwe edan prices 5000 eni ye kira newly trained teacher akatua eyesen nti senka oman no ana Ghana aban bitimi aboa na se yetimi enya teacher bangolo na aboa ma teacher for no so enya baby pa atena etimi aye adwuma e de asom oman Ghana na oman no so etoa so ye obi a oman no eye tinka ebenya IGFB efri assembly no be support community na eno so yebeda assembly no
anka no so yebeda assembly no mpanifu ase pa eni a wuti ono no ye chechire ni pani mechire headmaster edema dome asaman basic school eno no wa mansia south mensenim e wa sentiment ne den ede Mr. Ernest sorry na no achi no na chechefo ne beje mre ene de ye kase wa nam sini oton krafia sentiment sum yen me wa fa se Samuel foli bot twen kwara mu kire mi so hana no aye den amafa na ba peso ma de kire no fidie afono wo no mokura ho kire mu fam ne mpenten kwa mote no anu wa gene so bosum bedu na ketua ndada na kire din ho kire no sondoto amafa na do so adesua de ma sese ni chese wo kire obi ade na ne hwe ba bi kwa yeso mfa ho mpo wa boy ye fita duku woni motoam wa ne motoam da sem pare sem fa ne ho kra enti ambassador ba na mo ka bi ewom se school ewo dome asaman no aho kire ba enti aba mra o mo sra ba mu o metisi adan a chechirefo betenem and visa school da no metere trim na mo na adesua fa nto mapa efemfra wo mensini no emu
ewo domi Sammy DA primary ya kakra ye fam yenkonya sem nkola ne ba school a ba bia betena me akire ma de no ho aye den ama o kakra na etoso biem nso edan na o mutim no ise nkola na do so ama yenko ye dan nim teachers for no ba o mo bre e ma de kire ni adesua no emu ye den ma wo mo tie besre se o mo nsem go bi o mo free Sammy na nyame adom o mo ye dwuma mo ba bi no ne obi e be kana koma se obeboa domi Sammy DA primary no omra me koyemoa e wo yenkonya e betena so akire nkwala na de ene edan a teacher for no ebetinem enam se galamse ne koso wo ho no ntinema edan pe no ehon ye den kakra aboafo bi afa to mo so sedu ba bia na omo nsem ayemre tie behia emwa kakra nti obi etie nka no peso oboa ya domi Sammy DA primary omekoyemwa no mema yenkonwa ye mofra no ebetena so ena ye mofra no nketua ne dan so a ombetinem ama adekire for no akire omo ade
ye dan no emususa enti banfa ekejufo no enkwa na omayo overcrowded ewa dan mu na teachers no so the master di kan no teachers no so eso the teacher ni ba ko it be fa enkura 120 and 60 teacher ni ba ko ayi nipa be se teachers miensa adwuma ts say sa abane beti yenka no aboa amanse south dey so yetime na teachers aboa amankura no adesua no atima koso
say 21st century na the communication system no fancy MTN for network no and share that enyina so yi baby on network ni shada enko yi your poor network system ntinka ye isu free abana senka obeboa ye nenke omati communication mass ni bia man yenya bia obeboa ma bia se we teacher na we bia researcher fa adesua no ho eboa ma adesua no ekoso yi bia communication mass ni bi se be ya adesua no ebekoso if ICT system no ni bia ebekoso
DLFM 106.9
Natural say me wa fa asefo ne ha no edo so se na otwe hu mi ene ya woti ye aya chekere fa wona mo kira de wo dome asaman basic school no ewo amanse settlement ni mo asante mantemu wona mama ne bo na oti amane boni Samuel Furibo aten ena de free asante mantemu ebesom yen
Yantua kasiebo ne so na mrahebedwani de madam mango Samuel Abuginapo de nsam de ato aban nanim se omunjai kasa na omukasa na emom omo hwese Ghana sikasem betimi akoso esansa wo hwe ha kase pa wo my Ghana mu a na eye mabu na omuni adwuma ye no de nsami aditudwa wa abra Ghana ye photo sam for Dr. Kasa to ba forcing ebe kasa ye hm se Ghana sikasem se de ekoye pa etimi afi intensive care unit de akọ wellness center na chese Ghana sikasem ekoye ana hm se nya kasa kekese obeba montin so obekasa Ghana sikasem ekosro wa abra mabu no mpo enya adwuma ye Ghana for de bia na omo kasa se sikasem enkoye na moba no mabeka se Ghana sikasem de akosoro no enya kasa keke na mom ewo se mutimi panyuma de mai mabunu no mu betimi ahese mo beye hye pa practical policies ahodo de ahye ankrankra dwumakuo nim na matimi atrem se ne beye no so bebu afa workers bebre mabunu no de agum na omo so no omatimi aye adwuma na oha we no so wo man Ghana for so ne so ebetimi aten esan so omo ba abemu bosome du watwinie enya ade a mabunu no enya adwuma ye oha we Ghana for so no na wo honom enya kasa intino momodin asre some betimi apa adwuma ede ama mabunu no
quickly moves away from this rhetoric blame game and almost acting as though they are still campaigning for the mandate of the people when the mandate's already been given, and to tackle the concrete issues on the ground and to provide solutions, deal with unemployment, put in place measures and policies to alleviate the sufferings of the people and bring down cost of living, because that is still a major issue out there. It's one of the biggest issues confronting our country. And you're talking about unemployment in the private sector, which is where you even have a much more difficulty. And you're talking about growth, you're talking about the spending of government. We are discussing the stimulus which will ensure that the private sector is stimulated to grow and be active and generate the hundreds and thousands and millions of jobs that the Ghanaian people are yearning for, particularly the youth. life. And so the point we are making from the minority side of the House reference the statement made by the Minister for Finance on Thursday, pursuant to Order 91-2, is that enough of the rhetoric, enough of the blame game, enough of this didn't go well, that didn't go well, and 18 months into the administration of this government, they should get on with delivering on the mandate and putting in place the policies and measures which will deal with the two major issues confronting the Ghanaian people, particularly the youth of our country, i.e. unemployment and cost of living.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni ya uti ye mrashebedwani de madam mango ye onyonya Samuel Abu Jinapo.
We are yenyina we so na yamma madwene nkyere ne bitew yemfa nsemo ewo Facebook no eso Ghana for ne dia ba betemu pa say premani na bomu no emu do emu pinso na me wofa se piaga dia ba oso hwe live edi free achem asafo me das nyame hira dia aka no Adjoa Agyei akoto eyi awehwaniwa ntabo de ni bi kwaka party headquarters na menka mo hom na Regina body dia ba na wose nchi akase yankoma lawyer wofa Sammy B ani Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding na hwe live edi free achem water market mate mo hona omudwira den ato agu nte wo ba bi ate no tu sika so asore ansan wo bedwiri na afrem ya memma Regina me ka kire wo ba bi ate na wo tegata so amisrem ahonya ha na free ho yo no mo ba na osi wo enjoy news ni padia news emu dead say no manam na me wofa say Sandra Beka me feeling brutal Sandra Beka say omanyajo dia news o here live edi free time free zone kase ne ye tasty angaza o say o den check kase ma ya mama odobro ni papa bi ododo too much la na wo kire ma Lumba supane de papa pao 100% every fo agi atum ti Ghana fo obi ansan ka be visa giba bia na odi aka ho de aba me wafa se Kofi Parliament de aba no se Ghana de in fact o man mu de pa na mu ma de ba ko aka sikasam na aye din no enti dia news ni mu de sa no manam ennam Kofi Parliament enchen a na ya guna bobi kuma apa na o mu tie yen efri nyame hira mo Central Region for na Master Planner Junior Kentampa de aba na o kire mu a dia news ne papa pam odaya se na adwumaden so no kro ayepo esum oman wafa eni Sikapa Osinchi akasi yankoma Commander Chris Nana Lord incoming MPP National Youth Organizer we every Master Planner Junior Kentampo ene odi free edeba Master Planner bako de me chewa ni mreyin kase bo ne nyina we so na me wafa se Bismarck man bizei sesi odi owa hene obetena se na odi agropama so nsma be so me ye na ndra blaster for ba match sika kwabra na betena se na yempra prechiri na yaba esi a
DL Power Sports emuade ejawom dead.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
And I Black Stars for match no we be
Kakra.
Uhu ni saying
I think okay.
Sir, na yo to you no.
Yes, yeah, no, normally ni say ya next year.
It's almost 6 matches winless, so we winning back okra.
Debbie. One say ye nim dada we nya de foforo.
And the performance no fit say wake up na be boy.
Boy de am waye.
So, but this afi na ye kwenti no. Enka say nuru ho na de bia difference between yaba.
Am waye.
Sir. Mama me hwa de. I say me be atwa me ne Ghana fo bi di nkomo akra fra last time me hwa de.
Ne kuro bia kan so munim bobo bia sene Ghana. Ti che de be hye be 4 kura. Ne kuro bia kan so munim bobo bia. Ne kuro bia kan so munim bobo bia. Ne kuro bia kan so munim bobo bia sene Ghana. Ti che de be hye be 4 kura.
What a ball! What a ball! What a ball! What a ball! Ghana Blaster! Ghana! Hey!
DL Power Sports!
Hey! I've had three! What a ball! What a ball! What a ball! Hey! Ball! Ghana Blaster! Ghana Blaster! Hey! Ghana
DL
Blaster!
Power Sports!
What a ball! What a ball! Ghana Blaster! Ghana! Hey!
Bra ship available, yes, star master, 3x4. One for the master, one for the lead, one for the little body crisis, the lead blaster, blah 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 ship available, yes, star master, 3x4. One for the master, one for the lead, one for the little body crisis, the lead. One for the master is talking to the Ghanaians, and 3 for the everybody which is moving to the Babylon, to all Ghanaians, even though the president of the Republic of Ghana, he also got it.
Me what for say Bismarck man busy or one here what can I say? Senior man himself or de agropamato and some best work as you want so. The man come if say Brenner the animal camp Bismarck.
Ofanshaba.
Yes,
you are doing what they
pay. Then Yanko pass. Sounds oh, Yamiado Metiapo pa. Sense more. And now smoke board draw. And that the more ideas no.
And no, I think you win Yankasa.
Someone young winning Tino. Nanka and the FF room. I'm fat.
None sense one to
oh, may I wear? This is studio hand in so I won't done you. My meta who be my son who say, and do it all.
20
and a best secretary.
Come
to the house of their son white battery. Dear Childi.
And now the Chinana, yes, said you, woman. Yes, send soon so crowded and Yanawa. Yes, I can't share my channel best who says Sasha, money, because let's say, I'm anything.
Or say, anything. Hey, because I didn't end Radiana Masashi. Let's in sooner my young coffee. Into a banner, some money hamo. Okay. It's a babo, no, young pons my catch them dada. Hey, say, Sia, Manayam one. Hey, dear, contagion Cafono, so more than my Montomo as a sebaya. In sooner as I say, didn't go for how be a farmer. I hope baby, I'm a baby, and one packet, baby, one corner be. Now, I win ye, because 10 and dear, where I'm fat. Baby, I was me for swap for my Mr. L. And funny punk experiment, could be Mujengo. Bon, bye. Bismarck, a better call, Yenga, and some Ghana for.
Right, I will send you more to more Quaba, Quains on Costa Kramer, deal. 106.9 mega swemraso agudi mu nsem papa pare be somo tubadi kasi esuweno ade kan sen meno nsia kasi asusu anumeno wo tie nyina ofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi kasanso a ana baba so no Adjoa Agyei Sikapa sanwumre wo mo so asin konyam de ade kan sempo no me pa twonu nsia kasi no enso atimi ade somo fa dusu no Bismarck Kwadwo Sammy bi se wo betimi so frem on wan ni kwakwa champion mi suma so agudi mu nsem papa pare be somo na onsanso atimi atodwumede so asida piesie akwada mami ebu producer Michael so coacha when I say wetime kuche nsem no enso agu nkrata so man bi say Bismarck Kwadwo say mensu mesem na udeko empokra ne deba agu kansem nsem na medical kacho say brano bi atros say dia unya tienka na Lumba super womna so mo kwa mo fa dwuma de no ka anyimi o maso ya so mo say agu de nsem no yam from me pa tro dwuma de ban ana wudi anase afuam no enso ba ikra na no anyimi nsu a make for ma say na wudi dwuma bia na say bibi bia so kwankama no eye nsu efren se Lumba super bomo de na ma nsan ka bia sanse nei enya Ghana nkwana ese ya atum ade e kan sama na ne won dodo na ensu so atimi atum ababia befa bia no me pato Lumba super ana ese obi bia so bubo bia edi wadanse no me no me de san koma na ensu so mama dama ana ya jima agude mu nsam no ya de so mo champion kofitela ayon boy dodo na fenu kofite wono so etwa gum live on Facebook we no e ade e kan se capital D capital 106.9 enti images audio videos audio empokra ne reactions audio anyime no won seka on social media platforms audio no me patcho paniwe and on this house nyina so eboy e wo MC adwumadi no so yankoma efi obaagimadi nkoma no dodo na so so na ye hyase a we no ye hyase fa fifie wote se nyina ofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi enso adi nkoma se ne me patcho blasters of Ghana eno ese enkunimdie no eno so antimi ama unim se no a me patcho e wo Cardiff City Stadium no e wona man a friend say Wales and so traffic to inside from Maya me patcho friend say Ghana now after 90 minutes of gameplay no me patcho game no so until 1-1 abrantia your friend say we no aye Caleb Jirenchi mafo when the team nya go no edema Ghana yan team yan krokram and game no and so team until 1-1 me no kase no what penny a friend say Carlos Queiroz and so aye Blasters head coach on so din come after the game now bomb players number so brutal was here about 9 to 11 players per and Mossad ade kan se pono aka be 3 days no makosa big game no na omonso etimi report to campa womonso etimi enya sa training na ahead of sa big game enre tojwa enso ade kan se Cardiff City Stadium Ghana enso bo maden ene my friend say we say Paul 1-1 wopani se maza ade ba ko eye na ho pa ne se Blasters team no enso etimi etie ni instructions ene me patron tactical ade kan se pono on a field of play no na se omutimi etie ni instructions nkoma wono so edi kira players no eno na agopama so omoye Carlos Queiroz Blasters head coach nkoma odesumie.
For me, what was we received 9 players today. They just arrived from London, taking the issues of passports. So we've been training with 9-11 players. Only yesterday we have one training session, and we assembled the team. And I asked them to make a couple of simple things. And straightforward to your question, what pleased me a lot was the way the players answered to my instructions, my game plan. They're really brilliant. They follow, they respect, they trust the game plan. And just to give one example, I think was the first time team that Oppo played with Adjoa center back together, and they're brilliant. They just follow the basic rules, calm, confidence, trust. So we have a good starting point. What pleased me more of this game was with 3 training sessions, we have this answer. So I believe next week with the program of 10 days of training sessions, we will make a lot of progress. And
Heti way the senior soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana head coach Opania Jeffrey Carlos Queiroz and Komodi Anwa after say 1-1 and shoot me toja ewo ade kan sempo me patro Cardiff City Stadium and also en komo panino so the two jadin no and so sumu jubadi osina bibia and so etime konka na yebusi opani we say after World Cup no one so etime ato jumadi enso e de akwade kan se pomoja AFCON na sempo no pamoja AFCON 2027 wasi ano yenja no manyankopon won nyame na ese bibia so ya hya ne nsemo na nim dachi achichi asem no de wo beja ne nyina so manyankopon ne wo pani si yan concentrate wo World Cup ne so na osi wo gide se ne Blasters of Ghana and so betimi a progress afra de kan se pono me patro group stage nim akopiem e second round. Carlos Queiroz.
The future in the hands of God. The most important thing for us now it is to focus in the World Cup, and we have one major goal. We have to play one game with 3 parts of 90 minutes. Every part of the game is 90 minutes, and at the end of 270 minutes, we have to guarantee to qualify for the second round. That is the main goal of our team and main priority, and we are focused in that goal. Play this game of 90 times 3. 270 minutes, first half, second half, third half, qualify for the second round. And when we qualify for the second round, the show starts, because everything for the winner, nothing to the loser. It is when the really World Cup starts, the knockout stage, and we want to be there.
DL Power Sports,
Coach Carlos Queiroz onon koma onon so edi yetini nyina no henso asumana unim se madika di nkomasa brantia Jeffrey Caleb Jirenchi Mafu and Yankono, and so the mother senior soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana, after the game. Wapani a friend said Carlos Queiroz, no, I had quite the mother senior soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana, so no, Edia Branton on Komaka, Waba Branton Abaso, was a massa where Aquadariswa the Nemum, and Martin Bow upon a coin camper, Coach Carlos Queiroz, and Comodifa Caleb Jirenchi Mafuni.
Very much, I think it's a great player with a great future. It's still young, have a lot of things to learn, because this level, everything is so fast that young players, they need to have talent and experience. And I do believe that this young player with more games in the leg, with more experience, can become one of the best players of Ghana national team in the midfield. I think it is his position, midfield.
DL Power Sports,
the senior soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana head coach in Komanra, one in Sudi after Senra drawn in Sutoja, and Cardiff Stadium, there comes a Cardiff City Stadium. Well, Shabako Ghana and Shabako, I didn't come on. Dodona Susumu Jumadi is now Penia, where Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Idi Adams, and Senra non Sua Stadium, one also Emoni tag game. After the game, Bupino, Jebu says the honorable game of fun say, was he when a test case pa, Edema Blasters team, no, don't know. Dwana unze wa famu nyina nso kikabi Ghana yankobɔ hwe ane yanwumre moti Adjoa Agyei Sikapa se ono nso kabi se yankobɔ bra bia enso World Cup na se honorable minister for sports and recreation Honorable Kofi Adams say ebe nkofo nwanwa papa surprise ye be puti Ghana no ebe ji omonsem.
Still have a lot of fruit. This is a trial game for us, and I believe that we are going to continue. The coach has come with some level of improvement, but we will still have to work. Yeah, so they need to build the stamina of the team, and I believe that they are working very much. But all in all, I think it's a fair. I always told Ghanaians before the game that DLFM give the team absolute support. Let's pray for them. Let's support them. It's football. There are bound to be some mistakes here and there, but together as we engage them, as we pray for them, as we support them, there will be that. So this is a learning platform for us. This is the first time the new coach has been in charge, so he would have seen them actively play. So he will see how to toss his team and toss his players, who he puts where and who he assigns. We intend to improve, to do better than we have ever.
Hello, Honorable Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Adams in Koma. One Sudi and after set drawn into Toja, our Cardiff City Stadium at the time at Blasters of Ghana, and Shabakuma, the Dragons of Wilson, and Sweetimi Shabakadi Commano, Dodwana Susumu Jubadi. After the game, Massa, Ghana man, Dodwana Super Live, Bruta, Ghana, Chitafwana, Wamsu Kopia Makoshe game, no, Baba Ramane, dear. Minim say opaniwe minim say na busuafo betimi atu ne fo ne say ni ene Blasters no obeja ma Ghana fo a masa player bia timi mistake aba ne say ana 11 players and nam park ne so say Ghana atimi akwansidia obia enso ebo baba ma din say nei enam ne so na azago ne ba Ghana chitafo ntoto na enso edi nkomo say ya na tuja
bono Blasters aboni nyina nipa ba ko pe and I was almost starting to coffee. Baba Rahman, on coffee, on Kodi Ramen, Yempano or Blasters, I say. Baba Rahman was too much.
Yeah, the performance was very, very pathetic, to be honest with you. This is not a team that we should take to World Cup. If you need a disgrace, you must take the same team. Baba Rahman came in and through his position, we concede the goal. The guy is absolutely pathetic, rubbish. And secondly, the coach must utilize the young guys. We have young guys who play all over the world and they were sitting at the bench. Inaki came in, we didn't see anything. Renchi, Nana Bonsu, all those young guys, they did very well. They came in second half and we found out that they changed the game. So in a nutshell, we want them to start in the World Cup. Do you think Wales just play a draw with us?
Boys me here, Omo, Efa, yeah, I was Omo here. Then when I was a coach, no, it's me by young boys, no. Omo was a coach, no more Omo, and by four not to settle my party. And you, Baba Rahman, Modi, I was so more Omo Tranche. Inaki Williams, I was a coach no in China. No issue boys, no, Renchi, Nana Bonsu, and the boys. No more, did not wait to see at the starting we are NASA performance where the co work upon Modia. And I think they should all stay and not even bother to because it's not good.
Hello, Ghana phobia no amonsu timi akobo mani akoma game na and nsu toja our Cardiff City Stadium at the time the Dragons of Wales sheba akuma the Blasters of Ghana so no etimi sheba akoma so etimi edamo ade aka nsepo no womonso se ne omu game no enso Friday komatudo na so somo ewo djuma de nsina me no kasa dia wonim se nei ade aka nse Commonwealth Games no anonso toja 2026 year shase July 23rd akosi August 2nd. Now when we told you our Scotland's Glasgow 2026 na enra ana GOC Commonwealth Games no wamusweti mi apa on to mane wamusweni senjofo she din komatuto na enso fa kwankra me patro my Ghana yansu yako athlete ahodo ana sempo ade kan several disciplines no Ghana maintain o so call present here no wapania ena minu kase no waye president eto anima Ghana Olympic Committee Mr. Richard Agbokavi Esquire Wano anese ono social se we din komo tutu na yentie nkoma Mr. Richard Agbokavi Esquire enso di ye
general and leaders of all the sports federations here present, our revered Commonwealth ambassadors Professor Suman Nelson and Margaret Simpson, members of the media, and most importantly our gallant athletes. Good afternoon. The Commonwealth Games began originally in Hamilton, Canada in 1930 as the British Empire Games. It was created to foster goodwill across the British Empire, and the quadrennial event has evolved to a global multi-sport competition featuring 23 countries and territories. Since 1978, glory on the sports field. We are here to announce to the world, Team Ghana will be at Glasgow 2026. We're there to win.
Henti, what is Mr. Richard Akpokavi Esquire Kase will be there to win. I know ya say eno nkoma na say Jumadia no su toja at the time amosu timi e pass Jumadia chenchirencha eno so etoja ya di nyina no enso de man na me no kase no Director General at the Man National Sports Authority Mr. Yao Ampofu Ankra eno na no so obi ono so di nkoma dodo na ene yi wa say unim say nei entia mete and say British High Commission enso so at deny Ghana media no versus bebre esanse Ghana de yenya no ntia se obekai Australia chese nkoma ba de na se buburuja ene opani amedi no nkoma nwumei Mr. Yampofo Anka ogina media ni nyinanam enso atimi adima yen won opa cho se nei ehubenya se British High Commission for no wamso betimi ama ade kansense ntwo for visas na yenso atimi akokova ade kanse Commonwealth Games no wawie na oto aso tu ntem ntwofo afo se nei me patro journalism no eyese empempi no eniema won eni ensam fata se yade to montana sempo no yahuru ya ntoma gufin wa bonte no eni kwanse yeyese adwuma no empempi no eya yemmo aniema papa nko awdawro wono eno so eya futu akra wadema media no yentie Mr. Yampofo Anka nkomo.
Honorable Minister has spoken already, so I'll keep it very short. Mr. President, or the President here, our own President of the Ghana Olympic Committee, doing a fantastic job. Just looking at the numbers here, tells you the passion indeed, as has been said by previous speakers. And I have a very good relationship with the British High Commission. I'm sure they will definitely look into every single application on its merit, and I'm sure a lot more people will get their visas. It is for that reason why we should be patient and go through the process, but I'm very confident the fact that he's here means that he will convey that message. But finally to media, again to reiterate what President Samson Dean said, it's very important that we sell the product. The product is why we are all here. It's the product. What's the product with our reportage? What then do we have to sell? So it's very important. I'm not saying I'm a journalist. I'm not saying don't talk about the issues. No, but let's use a lot of discretion. Let's also offer alternatives. Constructive criticism is very important. And I know in Ghana, the sports media is the biggest ecosystem. Imagine if we can sell that, how much credit and merit we'll get into this ecosystem. So please, as much as we're very passionate about talking about the challenges, let's also offer viable solutions and build the brand up. Thank you.
Hello, National Sports Authority, Director General Pania friends, Yampofo Anka nkoma wanu so edia odwumadi na so adi nyina no enso esomna British High Commissioner wanu so etimi ababia nei wase bibi bia de dem enso de ma man konkro Ghana ya hwe animu se Ghana so betimi attach down Scotland Glasgow 2026 unim said the very last time Ghana yenya kwenya so kopiem way back 1986 and opening say wase hwe animu se Ghana enso betimi aba.
The President of the Ghana Olympic Association and the Commonwealth Games Federation and the DG of National Sports Authority and all members of the various sporting community and mostly and importantly the athletes themselves, because they're the ones that make the games. So I look forward, as we've heard, to Ghana being in Glasgow and getting gold, as many as they can get in a few weeks' time, in a couple of months. We're very excited about the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Glasgow's hosted it before and we'll host it again this year. And we know that Ghana comes with a lot of colour, a lot of passion, a lot of commitment and a lot of energy. And we look forward to Ghana succeeding in the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. And the reason that I'm here and the High Commissioner is not here is because he's in the UK with His Excellency President Mahama. I think some of you may have seen the story, and it just shows that engagement. The President met with the Prime Minister of the UK this morning, and will meet His Majesty the King tomorrow. And it shows the strength and the breadth of the relationship between the UK and Ghana. So sport is one element of that. And they're driving a wider growth and trade and economic partnership, which will hopefully benefit all sectors of society in Ghana, including sport. And the reason I think that the sport minister is not here is because he's in Cardiff. And I wonder if you know why. The Black Stars are there, and they're playing this evening against Wales. So we wish them luck, and in 3 weeks' time exactly, it will be the big match. It will be England versus the Black Stars, Boston, USA, and I know who I'll be supporting, and I know who you will be supporting. But I wish you all the very best. We look forward to Ghana's presence at the Glasgow
DLFM.
Games, and may they really excel, may they succeed, and we hope to see lots of medals coming back to Ghana. Thank you.
Power sport.
Henti ano enso aye British High Commission and come on nso eti SNA one nso ehwe ni mu se o man konko Ghana nso ba be PM enso e Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games a to Adjoa Scotland e come no dodo na nso asuma no ade u kopiem ase legends outdoor wom nso do mani monyam be tachire legend Azuma Nelson mu nyina enso etimi pa na ase bibi bia nso edidem na no na ase nya fedi agrokra opani offense something day wom nyina nso timi ade o mani monyam enso etimi ebe tachire na nim se nei ade kan se the whole brand ana ekete Ghana Olympics ade kan se games athlete no enso ekopiem e Commonwealth Games no jeden komodo do na nso so command enke doso nemom emre ne koma hu se international DJ Afiba wenya agina konya nei wade awoso no enso ebe woso Ghana fo nti wofa agode mu nsem eboaboa no nyina no yemfansi a na yada Lumba nsupa nso asanwumrei juwade bia odi no Lumba nsupa na American form woman no so aseme ade agode mu nsem nyina no enso ede ba me de best makadu sai wubetimi afrem man bi se Michael so coacher ana ese otimi kuchire nsem no enso egu nkata so medi nyina no enso ebe so mo na me so isi Sam J Bekwi Mama Julie Mama ncha onura Mr. Samuel Afo na on the 9th of June ampaya na Adjoa we Mama Julie mu fi ho niura Mr. Samuel Afo ne mame ne 85th birthday e baso enti adaje ni poso kra we chese ye be prepreche pa enti mami anase grandma eduwa ye beba ina numbers ni abe celebrate ye de odo bebo odompa na ese yetimi abehye woni munyam panti happy birthday in advance enti birthday ni de ya share countdown na see ni enti till say 9th no na ese ye beba na ye de odo bebo odom no birthday countdown na ese ya enti no ofa Miss Rita nso baby girls nyina omu prefect ono nso etie adwumadi no tema come to 2 ana Priscilla maye bi enso so etie ye ncha no bema yaw enso omadina nyume manyane tie so abiema wano nso manita adwumadi afa Dr. Steven Yabua enso a Timothy House Hearing Clinic manyane tie so ono nso manita adwumadi nti ofa ma good emu nsam de ye mfansi na se bibia kama na ese wo de asom Ghana fo
right meda senti me wofa se Bismarck man bize ena wote ne nkasa de akopama so nsem na beso me na kase woni DC na nsa na no we putupru odumi jadwuma yeko eden krata ba bontinti ye monitor we a very important announcement na ye mfanso mansa na ya sore nti mesrew na bra Facebook no so na de bibia to so kama na bra behwe be hu hia pam na Ghana National Fire Service mpenifo say ye mfanto o my Ghana tiasema nyina nim say ensubra ne bi twa anumre ipa no wode ne pa ewa krabo premanta yi mu ene meamia hodo pi na sade emu ne mu no ensuo to a na nkran ha ensuo no eyiri efa de hye pa enti on besere ya da se wu pie akwa bonten ana wakwa adwuma na afi ne wapon a wokofi a won besere wo pomoni se mo woni ada ho yi pa na putipru ahusiesie bu ahu ye kama na bonten a wokọ no oho ba monsem emfa ngogra to prekra omu kirem se ebi akodum pempensuo bi na behia mwa bebi awo ne nsuo to ema yira fawo ana se de bebi awo te ne nsuo ne ye no ubehia mwa ne evacuation ne abeyi wafiri honom aneja na to bebi a won besere wada from atufo didi suei na putipru odum jadwuma yekuo no emre wo mwa omo besan so asere wo se bomoden se nsuo na eto no ebi awo de shine na nam nsuo no mu ahwese yesi bebi awo nam nsuo no ebefa wo car na park gina bebi kura na nkofa nsuo ma nsuo ni fa wo nko omo kirem se wo kra sombo esene wajapade enti fra homatofo didi suei 112 ana 192 eno achi obetumi so afre otumi jadwuma yekuo no ewa mra nsuo ye atwei akofa ato ye nche media brewa fre wonom 0302 772 446 0302 027724446 and 0299 340 383 0299 340 383 Sana homado do ananso ya de ato Facebook and YouTube a oba wo de screenshot keke na store go phone saba ya adachi bi no yakasa putu onhye na hye de na dwunti no asambone ba na wa frɛ won we ni nkra Ghana National Fire Service e de ba nim na ye bomu na ye de amamom ye nyina we sene fa kasebo ni nyina emfa ensi emusamufo ne ye maize mebere ntwene se mu ema ye oba ho fedua ne semu gira fita ne ni aba dejedeja ne tirehwe de se kyerɛkyerɛ homa esa kasebo mu de ma ye me wa fa se champion tailor bema obuada ansroja ono wate we hwemfa ne ho wate asa watana o ha ho onfa anya hwempo o hwempo ne wahu ekyerɛ din e de ekopiem go Facebook and YouTube kasebo no wonya bi ahwɛ yem DJ Zigby echinchim kasafrem fru ma de som ye numrei saa nsra me wa fa se Bismarck e de agudie mu sensem be som yen me wa fa se Esther papa bi o ma yemola support fia ha akenkanfo ye tu benu edi ameje so ya wo fa o se ade ayo de wa at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ande bantwere bona na otafrija mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes so the international DJF ba na obeto aso ede a wo so dwumadie no ato a wo so enyem nko aka sanim ekire din ye besere nsuo no eto panti se de ye di kan aka no baabi a wona ma ho ba mo nsam hia wo hwe na se nsuo no befa wa mesere san wachi kana wutimu no driver ni hwe na se nsuo no befa kana park baabi kura na san entra se me forso afam ahwe da bi emfa nipa nkwa nkogura topre me so asui nana ya ene me wo fa se Jackson Kwe ene me amade nyina Nhyiraba di omo se how bi atete ye na fiwe we jump past it Adjoa Agyei Sikapa so de bana do fo nyina yakra mo